Why that tastes like broccoli when it's not broccoli? Bees. I'm allergic to bees, so I'm going to try to avoid these guys because it's a long way to the hospital. But I already tried some of these leaves. They're not really bitter. We're going to go ahead and cut some of this for today's breakfast, and we'll see how much we're going to cut for this morning. But I'm going to probably leave a little bit of this to go to seed because I'm not really a fancy put everything in a line kind of gardener. This was all planted by friends and some really sweet people who built the garden for us after the fire, and it's really much appreciated, but it's not really my style of gardening. So I don't care if the seeds go everywhere and end up planting themselves. Less work for us. So I'm going to cut these off near to the base because sometimes bok choy will grow back after you've cut it. You can grow bok choy if you cut the leaves off and you buy bok choy in the grocery store. You can put the base of the bok choy in water and regrow a new bok choy plant. So in theory, you can do the same thing in a garden, and I've done it before. So I'm going to cut them down at the base. Near the roots, leaving a few of the base leaves, and I'm going to see if that happens. They're looking a little leggy, which to me, that means they're probably not getting enough sunlight. We get good morning light over here, and then by the time the sun gets over there, it's in the trees, and it continues to be in the trees the rest of the day. So we know we're going to be cutting out a lot of trees this winter, so I expect that this will do much better next year. Anything that requires a lot of sunlight to grow out will end up growing up to try and grab the sun if it doesn't get enough sunshine. So considering that end of the garden on this side gets more sunshine, the bok choy probably should have grown down that direction. The other side of the garden gets plenty of shade, so that's really maybe could have been a better place also for something that molts easily. So I'll have to look at that and make a decision next year about where the bok choy is going to go. This cooks down a lot, so I'm going to probably go ahead and collect a lot. Looks like we had some nibbles on this one. It's got some curly, something bit into this, but then it's also got some curly leaves going on. Figure out what that's all about. That one's large and beautiful. Alright, well there's a lot of leaves in here. We're going to go ahead and get those washed up. The kids are collecting some eggs, and we'll have some sauteed greens with eggs this morning for breakfast. Alright, so Riley got to try this. When you come across one of these little crowns, you try that. Tell me what that tastes like.
Really good broccoli.
Yeah, because... What, you have a guess? Why that tastes like broccoli when it's not broccoli?
I'm not sure.
Because this plant and broccoli are related to each other. So is kale and Brussels sprouts.
Kale, Brussels sprouts, Romanesco.
yeah. Cauliflower. That one looks like some like a caterpillar dot to it. And cabbage. So if you want to save the really good broccoli heads, if they look good, you can put those aside.
Look at this one.
If they have purple on them, they're not good. But if they're green, you can put those aside. Or you can eat them.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You do not throw any of this into the goat pen. Why do we not throw this into the goat pen?
It's bad for the goats.
Why is it bad for the goats?
Makes them hurt? Or it makes
No,
them bloat?
it makes them bloat because it's a what type of vegetable? I almost let it slip. Christopher? No. Cruciferous. Cruciferous. Well, it's not a Christopher vegetable.
Christopher Robin.
It's a Christopher Robin vegetable.
Yeah, you eat.
Alright, can somebody go give that to the hens? Okay, so you can take that and go wash the leaves. Do you need a spray? Do you need a spray thing to spray them? I have a spray thing. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get some eggs, scrambled eggs, put them on your plate.
What are you saying, Liam?
Bok choy.
Bok choy.
Bok choy, bok choy. Okay. Anybody over there want some eggs?
Yes. Trade. You and I have to split that.
Alright, bok choy.
Go ahead and take all of that. I'll take this. Bring it down to the plate.
Guys, this is our first meal cooked with everything right here on the land since the fire.
Cool.
These are our eggs. This is our bok choy. Haven't had that in over a year. Doesn't that feel good?
Yeah. Have you even had the bok choy?
I know, right? Got it from the grocery store, but not from our own land.
We were getting like boxes that were shipped to us, but
Thank you for cooking, Liam. It was really good.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for cooking